Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? I hope you all have fine. So, are you all ready for today's session? Yes. So, today we are going to learn finding fractions of a collection. Okay. So, how to find the exact number. Okay. So, we are going to find out the exact number of the fraction. Okay. So we can find fractions of a collection by dividing. Okay, first let's find out half of a collection. Finding half. 1 by 2 is nothing but half. So finding half of a collection. To find half of a collection, divide it by 2. So to find half of a collection, we have to divide the whole by 2, because the denominator we are having 2, isn't it? So we have to divide the whole by 2. Okay, to find the half of a collection, we have to divide the whole by 2. So for example, if you are having 6 chocolates, okay, so imagine that you are having 6 chocolates, okay, and you want to share this 6 chocolate with your friend equally. Then what will you do? If you want to share half of this 6 chocolate with your friend, then what will you do? So assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates. So you will take this 3 chocolates and you will give the another 3 chocolates to your friend, isn't it? So you are dividing this 6 chocolate into 2 equal parts. Half means 2 equal parts. That means you are dividing this 6 by 2. You are dividing this 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So 3. So each part will have 3 chocolates. Each part will have 3 chocolates, isn't it? So this part will have 3 chocolates and this part will have 3 chocolates. That means you are dividing those 6 chocolates into 2 equal parts. That means you are dividing 6 by 2. Okay, is it clear? So we will see some examples. Okay. See the first example. Akriti has 12 marbles. How many marbles? 12 marbles. Okay. Her mother asks her to give this half. Her mother asks her to give half the marbles to her sister. Okay. Her mother asks her to give half the marbles to her sister. How many marbles should she give to her? So, Akriti has 12 marbles. Okay. And her mother asks her to give half the marbles to her sister. So, Akriti has to divide those 12 marbles into 2 equal groups, isn't it? One is for Akriti and one is for her sister. So what she has to do? She has to divide these 12 marbles into 2 equal groups. That means half the marbles means we have to divide the whole by 2. Half the marbles, that is we are going to find out half the whole thing, half of a collection. Then we have to divide the whole by 2. Okay, 12 divided by 2, what is 6? 6 12s are, sorry, 6 2s are 12. So each part will have 6 marbles. So Akriti will have 6 marbles and her sister will have 6 marbles. Is it clear, children? If you are going to find out half of a collection or half of the whole, then you have to divide the whole by 2, because in half we have 2 as the denominator, isn't it? So we have to divide the whole by 2. Okay. So we'll read the solution. Okay. To give half the marbles, Akriti has to divide 12 marbles into 2 equal groups, isn't it? 2 equal. Equal is important. 2 equal groups. One is for Akriti and another one is for her sister. Okay. So we have to divide 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So each part of the whole collection is 6. So we can write it as half of 12, which is equal to 6. Half of 12 is nothing but 6, isn't it? Half of 12 means we have to divide the 12 by 2. Okay, we have to divide the 12 by 2. So half of 12 is 6. Thus, Akriti has to give 6 marbles to her sister. Full stop. Okay, to her sister. Okay, thus Akriti has to give 6 marbles to her sister. Okay, is it clear, children? If you are finding half of a collection, then you have to divide the whole by 2. Okay. So similarly, if you are going to find out 1/3 of a collection, what will you do? 1/3 of a collection, what will you do? So divide the whole by 3. Divide the whole by 3. Suppose if you are going to find out 1/4 of a collection, then what will you do? Divide the collection by 4. Okay, divide the collection by 4. Okay. So next one is finding 1/3 of a collection. Finding 1/3 of a collection. To find 1/3 of a collection, divide it by 3. Because in the denominator we are having 3, isn't it? So we have to divide this collection by 3. Okay. So we will see one example. Rahul bought 9 apples from the market. Rahul bought 9 apples from the market. Now he wants to share them equally with 2 of his friends. So he wants to share them equally with 2 of his friends. So Rahul and plus 2 of his friends. So totally 3, isn't it? Rahul plus 2 of his friends. So totally 3. So he has to divide these 9 apples into 3 equal parts. He has to divide these 9 apples into 3 equal parts. That means we are going to find out 1/3 of 9 apples. So what we have to do? We have to divide this 9 by 3. Okay, divide 9 by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is nothing but 3 3s are 9. So each part will have 3 apples. So each member will have 3 apples. Okay, children, is it clear? Rahul plus 2 of his friends equally. So he has to divide these 9 apples into 3 equal parts. That means he has to divide 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. So each member will have 3 apples. Okay. So we will read the answer. So this is the 9 apples. 9 apples. Solution. Rahul has to divide 9 apples into 3 equal groups. So 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. So each member will get 3 apples. So these 3 apples for Rahul and these 3 apples for one of his friend and these 3 apples for the other friend. Okay. So this is for Rahul and this is for one of his friend and this is for second friend. So each member will get 3 apples. Okay. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay children. So each part of the whole collection is 3. So we write it as 1/3 of 9. 1/3 of 9 which is equal to 3. Thus each friend will get 3 apples. Okay. So we can write it as 1/3 of 9 because we have divided this 9 apples into 3 equal groups, isn't it? 3 equal groups. So we can say that 1/3 of 9. Okay. Next one is finding 1/4 of a collection. That means we have to divide the whole by 4. Divided by 4. To find 1/4 of a collection, divided by 4. Okay. So for that, we'll see one example. Raja's father buys 8 samosas and asks him to distribute them in such a manner that all 4 family members get equal number of samosas. So his father bought 8 samosas and he want to distribute these 8 samosas into 4 family members. That means he wants to divide this 8 samosas into 4 equal groups. 4 equal groups. That means we are going to divide 8 by 4. 8 by 4 because we have to distribute this 8 samosas into 4 equal groups. Isn't it? So we have to divide 8 by 4. Okay. So how many samosas will each member get? So these are the 8 samosas. Okay. So look at the answer. Raja has to divide 8 samosas into 4 equal groups because his father wanted to distribute to his 4 family members equally. So he has to distribute it into 4 equal groups. So he has to divide 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is 2 4s are 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this for one member and this for second member and this for third member and this for fourth member. So each member of his family will get 2 samosas. How many samosas? 2 samosas. Okay. So look at the picture. This for one and this for second person and this for third person and this is for fourth person. Okay. So each part of the whole collection is 2. So we write it as 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 8 because we have divided this 8 into 4 equal groups. Isn't it? 4 equal groups. So we can write it as 1/4 of 8 which is equal to 2. 8 by 4 is 2. Thus, each family member will get 2 samosas. Okay. Thus, each family member will get 2 samosas. This is answer 2. Thus, each family member will get 2 samosas. Is it clear, children? Have you all understood? So, if you are going to find out half of a collection means you have to divide the whole by 2. Divide the collection by 2. Okay. If you are going to find out 1/3 of a collection, then divide the collection by 3. Okay. And if you are going to find out 1/4 of the collection, then divide the collection by 4. Okay. Is it clear, children? Yes. So, practice all the problems, children. Okay. Read these word problems. Okay. Read again and again. Okay. So that you can understand the concept. If you understand the question only, you can answer the question. Okay, children. So read again and again. Okay. So study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.